how to get Netflix on the Nintendo Switch. So here's what you want to do. You want to go into your system settings first, then you navigate to internet, click on internet, and then internet settings. Now this is going to load up all of the networks which you have here, Wi-Fi networks. You want to click on the one that you are connected to, change settings, and here where it says DNS settings, we'll change this to manual. And you want to type this for the primary DNS, 045.055.142.122. Click on OK, save, and then you just want to verify your connection. So here we'll click on connect to this network. It's going to tell us that we don't have an internet connection, but that's going to be a lie. We will click on next. By the way, if you want to restore your internet, you will just change back to automatic DNS. So here we're just going to click on go to Google. Now once you are taken to Google, you use the search bar here to search for Netflix, like so. So Netflix. Sorry, I can't type this. Netflix. Alright, and you want to search for it. Now you will click on Netflix at the very top, and it's gonna load the website, and it's gonna let you sign into your account. It might take a little bit of time, but it is going to work. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.